Hi, I'm Randy Morgan. I'm with the Ohio SBDC, and as an entrepreneur myself, I'm constantly talking to my clients about the importance for preparing for a bank. The banking world and our world are two different animals. So before you go in, we all know you have passion. You have a passion for what you do, but you got to look at your business perspective from the lender side of the fence. So I'm going to talk real quick about the 5 C's of credit. For a bank, first of all, they're going to look at your character. You have to have a good name in the community, good work record, and a good credit score. The second C of credit we look at is capacity. The banks want to know what your ability to repay their debt back is going to be. If you're a small startup, they're going to look at your personal financials. They're going to see how much money you have left over every month and put that with your cash flow. Typical debt ratio is 1 to 1.25. So for instance, that means for every $1.25 you make, the banks want to see that you have about a quarter left over. The third C of credit the bank's going to look at is capital. People say, I want a $100,000 loan. You're not going to get 100% financing. If your project is $100,000, be prepared to have at least 20% down. Especially in this economy, the banks may want 25 to 30% down. So now on to number 4, the conditions of the economy. Of course, right now it's really tough. If you look at a bank's portfolio, you're going to have several companies that they're interested in, and you're going to have a whole lot of companies that they're carrying some bad debt on. So be prepared to maybe have a lot of questions with the bank, and you may have to shop around with different banks to see what they're comfortable with. Finally, the fifth C of credit that they're looking for is your collateral. If you're going to get a small business loan, be prepared to have to put your personal assets in a mixing bowl to where the banks will put a lien on your private assets, your home, as well as any company equipment or real estate you might have. I think that's about it. If you can learn those 5 elements and get those prepared, you'll be in much better shape when you're putting your business plan together and trying to impress a bank to get some money from.